Austin, and last year we bought an RV that we remodeled and made our home. We currently live in it with our 2 pythons, 1 kitty, and a boa, and we love it with all of our heart. But we've decided that we want to upgrade, and we wanted to bring you along on that journey.
Welcome back to the Hippie Haven channel. Welcome back to our build. As you guys know, if you're keeping up, we're converting this Thomas school bus into our home, and we're excited to do so. It's getting cold fast, so we need to get walls put up, we need to get things built, we need to get things insulated, and we need to get power in here, like stable power. So we're working on finding solar and everything, and we didn't film like an intro. We haven't really filmed much, as you see in the beginning of the video. We got a wall put up right here. You'll see further framing, but there's not much explaining. There's not much, to be had, so we'll kind of skim through it. I'm not going to make this video super long. I'm not going to bore you guys with a bunch of stuff, but so far here's an intro video, and let's get to us figuring out how the heck we're going to build this bathroom out. So today we have an agenda. We have to go into town, and we've got to send out our drone because I flew it into a lake. We've got the drone. It's all nice and pretty packaged. I'm going to come back here. I taped it a lot, and we didn't have any good tape, so I used painter's tape.
I hope our address isn't in that.
I don't know. It could be. It is. Doesn't matter. If you got our address. Yeah, we can blur it out, or they can come help us build the fucking bus. That'd be cool.
Both cases fit.
Oh, cool. So, I guess cool news is we got this little, it's not a GoPro, I'm going to call it a GoPro. This little camera, it's got a waterproof case and everything. And so we're getting all the good setups for it.
It's pretty cool. And it's so waterproof. We've tested it so many times. We got some cool footage on it.
Yeah, we'll give you guys some footage in one of these upcoming videos of it. Kitty's sleeping. You sleeping on my clothes? Sleeping on my clothes? Ow. Ow, why are you biting me? So, today is also my sister's birthday, but it's also Sonny's birthday, and he's in his hide now. But we had him out this morning, hanging out.
He's 1 year old.
Little man's a whole freaking 1 year old. And that's cool. But anyway, I guess I'm going to cut this video here. That's what I'm going to do.
So, while Austin is doing some cutting outside, I've kind of got a little project of my own on the side that I've been kind of working on the last few minutes. And it's this. I don't know if you know what this is. Probably most bloggers or people with a camera know what it is. So it's like what you screw onto your camera for your tripod. And it's like super wiggly, and like it was just like coming out, and the camera was like not staying stable on the tripod. So I have some sticky tack, and I don't know how well you can see it, but I shoved some down there, and then also right in here all around this little screw-on thing. I put some. So we're gonna see if this helps stabilize our camera a little better. What's up, guys? So we just dropped the drone off, and $20 freaking to ship that thing back where it goes.
But whatever, California's expensive, they say. You want to tell them about on the way out?
Sure. So on our back window, I know you guys can't see it or anything, but Austin has drawn on there like follow our journey.
YouTube our journey.
Yeah, YouTube our journey with a little YouTube sign and our hippie haven on it. And some lady just stopped us in the
post office.
The post office. Jeez, why can't I remember that? And she was like, "Is that y'all's car out there?" And we were like, "Yeah." And she was like super like stoked about it. She really liked it, and so we told her, you know, to YouTube us and everything. And she said that her and her husband are looking to buy a fifth wheel, and then they're gonna hit the open road and just travel the country. So that's so cool. It's so cool to see like people around us doing the same thing and maybe in a different way. Like they don't want a school bus, they're gonna have a fifth wheel, but still, it's so cool.
Yeah, and then to see like all the people drive by our bus, like our home, as we're building it out and changing it. Like I know the whole town and neighborhood has saw it change from a school bus to what it is now.
From
and then
yellow school bus to a gray and white one.
Yeah, and so we've got all these people that stop by. We've got all these people that like take pictures, or you know, Jamie caught someone filming the bus. I think that's super cool, man. We're getting like love and support out here, and that's something I didn't, not that I didn't expect it. Just thought people would be kind of
a little off about it,
you know,
because
people out
we're
here.
Hippies.
Don't let me offend anybody in Missouri, but Missouri people are freaking weird, man. We're weird people.
We are weird people.
Not us, everybody else. So now I guess we're off to Branson. Let's go to Branson.
Okay, so that's it for now, guys.
If you guys want to come to Branson with us, come along. If not, get the heck out here at the post office.
See ya!
This is weird. This is like the skate park I grew up skating on. I just noticed the fence is gone. You guys come to Branson, you gotta skate stock still when you skate it. This is a staple here. This is where I learned all my good stuff.
Too bad we don't have the skateboards with us. You can show them your swift moves.
Seems as though you're having some struggles.
Yeah. I was just seeing what that lock thingy did on the SD card. And it also says there's a problem.
It's always a problem.